That here yesterday it was kind of quiet here in the metro. Like you said, though, it's going to kind of be off to the northeast, and that's where it was.
That's right. Western Iowa really seeing the bulk of the storms that we saw yesterday. We did see some storm reports, of course, throughout the day yesterday as well. That's what we're taking a look at here. So Harrison County, we did get a report from a storm spotter or a storm chaser of 2 brief touchdowns of tornadoes, Pottawatomie County and also in Tekamah. Golf ball size hail. Anything else that you see on there? Funnel cloud reports, flooding reports around the Atlantic area, and some smaller hail as well.
All right, we do have some video here submitted from Raymond. This is just north of Woodbine. What are we looking at?
Well, okay, so in Woodbine, there was a storm just north of it, and it kept cycling. So I think that's part of what we're seeing right now. This storm just kept producing severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings as it pushed through Harrison County, Iowa. And that was the area that we were dealing with 2 brief touchdowns further to the west. So I wouldn't have been surprised if this storm just continued to cycle. You can see some rotation there, some slow rotation maybe, and some of those low-level clouds that we're dealing with the main edge of the storm there. So once again, Woodbine looking north, they would have been dealing with those severe thunderstorms just off to the north in Harrison County.
And just a little less serious on this side of the Missouri in Tekamah. We got this picture sent in to us from Leslie. What type of hail? That looks like, what, about ping pong size, I would say?
Ping pong ball size, yeah. And those were the reports that we did see once again around Tekamah and Pottawatomie County. That was really how we were expecting that alert day to pan out. Some hail threat being the primary threat, large hail, up to 2-inch hail in some spots, and then also some rotating storms like what we saw with the funnel cloud reports, and of course with a few of those tornado touchdowns.
Pretty much as forecast. All right, Mallory, thanks. Now over to Clay with